like to take this opportunity to wish all the teachers in Jamaica a very happy Teachers Day. And to my school where me used to go past South Camp Road, Alpha Academy, me know say for me teacher them dead and gone, but some of them still alive. What me want say one special greeting to Paulette Williams, Senator Williams. Me know say she watch this now. That the teacher was one of my favorite teacher, you know. And me I tell you say that the woman they pour a lot into me, you know. Yes, man, she used to encourage me. Me don't know why me never continue Spanish, you know. But that is another conversation for another time. But no, me have to give thanks. So all of the teachers in my Alpha Academy, they want to big up on yourself here. And then now, Kellett's Primary where me used to go, Miss Grace, me know say you're not alive, but me still have to say Happy Teachers Day to you too. But Miss Grace, I want make you did like beat Mr. Man. Honestly, Miss Grace, make we talk now. Me know say one time, my mother did tell you say, Miss Grace, all you have to do is save the eye. But Miss Grace, talk truth no. You did really take advantage, you know. Anyways, you can't beat me again. Anyways, Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Uno job no easy. Better uno than me.